Hey, this is Rashan and
Toya.
Travel once again, and guys, we're back to help you guys understand how to generate U.S. income while you're traveling abroad with your family. I know a lot of people ask questions like, well, how do y'all make money while you travel? So today's video is going to be about 3 easy ways to generate income while you travel abroad with your family. So we just want to get straight into it. While we were in Chiang Mai, Thailand, we were staying at Pan Suk Urban Condo in Chiang Mai, and I was just laying in bed one day and searching YouTube for different ways to make online income. And I know a lot of people right now that are doing affiliate marketing. A lot of people are doing a lot of affiliate marketing on their YouTube channels also, and a lot of drop shipping. So I wasn't really leaning towards doing drop shipping or affiliate marketing, and I wanted something a little more tangible for myself and not have to deal with the customer service. So I stumbled across somebody's YouTube channel. I'll put their link down in the description, and they introduced Textbrokers to me. And Textbrokers.com, you are an author where you write articles for different companies, and you get paid for writing the articles. And so the first person who actually did the Textbrokers.com was Toya. I showed her, and then she took it to the next step and got signed up for Textbrokers.com. And she's gonna give a little insight to you guys on how that experience was, how she got signed up. It's a very 1, 2, 3 easy step to get signed up, and she's just gonna give a little insight to you guys on how she got signed up.
Make sure you have your ID or your driver's license or a valid passport. You go on Textbrokers.com, you sign up, they ask for a photo, you're gonna have to write an article that has not been posted anywhere, and then they rate you from a 2-star to a 5-star. So that determines the articles that you can get and which ones you can get paid for, how much you can get paid for. Do you have anything else to say about Textbrokers? Yeah,
when you write your that first article that they rate you on, you want to make sure you put your all into that first article, because the higher the rating, the more the pay for your articles, and the more amount of articles that you'll be offered in the pool of articles to choose from. And so you want to make sure you put your all into that first article that you write.
Make sure your pronunciation is right, your grammar. All that counts. Everything counts
on that. And so Textbroker pays you through PayPal. So all you have to do is link your PayPal to it. They'll cash out whatever income that you generated in Textbroker.com. You can't split your payments. Meaning, so if you made $150 on Textbroker.com and you do a cash out, they're going to cash out the entire amount to you into your PayPal. They're not going to do it in increments like 50 and 20 and 25. And so you want to make sure when you do a cash out that you're ready to receive the entire income from your Textbroker.com. And then one thing you want to make sure you do on Textbroker.com is you want to take the time to build your profile, because they also have direct orders where clients will come and look at your profile and choose you to write articles. And the more articles, the more money you're gonna make. A lot of the articles range between $3 up to $10. And it all really depends on what star rating you are. For example, if you're a 2-star, a lot of your articles are probably gonna range between $1.50 up to maybe $3.50, sometimes even $5. And then if you're a 3-star, your articles probably will range between maybe $3.50 and up to about $10. 4-star, and it just keeps on going on, etc., etc., etc. So I don't want to hold you too long on the number one. The number one way to generate online income out of the 3 is Textbrokers.com. The link will be down in the description. The second way to generate online income, she's gonna help you guys with understanding what to do, how to do it, and who to speak to. And so I'm going to let her explain to you guys.
Number 2 is DaDa. DaDa ABC. If you know how to speak good English and good with kids, This is a platform where you teach Chinese children how to speak English. So right now I'm overseas working from home. I'm clocked in right now. But I teach Chinese children English. You go on there, DaDa ABC. I will put my referral link at the bottom of the screen as well. You have to have a valid bank account or passport, PayPal. And then you have to have a degree in something, and then a teacher's certificate. If you don't have a teacher certificate, they will help you. You will get hired, and then they'll help you get your TSL certificate. So that's another. The amount of pay is based upon your interview. How well you have to do a mock class. So in your interview, you do a demo class, and then you're teaching a child in your interview, and then you have to use a whole lot of hand movement and gestures. I can't hear you. Let me hear you. Can you say DaDa ABC? They want to see if you can do a lot of hand gestures to help them learn English. And if you make it fun, that's the most you get paid. You can get paid up to $25 per hour. Then once you get hired, you do trial classes to see if the parents would like you, if you're suitable enough to teach their child. So those will become your permanent classmates or students. And then you will get $25 or up to $25 an hour. If you don't have any students in your class, they will cut your pay in half, and then you still get paid just to sit there. So Monday through Friday, your working hours will be from 5 to 8 p.m. If you choose to work on the weekend, you will have to work, I think it's from 8 a.m. until 10 p.m. and then 10 a.m. and then 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. or something of that nature. But you have to work 2 days a week, 2 consecutive days a week in order to get hired with them.
Well, oh, don't you have a link that we can add into the description?
Yeah, I said we were going to put it at the bottom.
Okay. So the link will be in the bottom of the description of the video, and that'll help you get started with generating some USD through online while you travel abroad. Number three is one of the more tedious ways to generate online income, but once you get the ball rolling in your court, it's really useful. Online school today, you know, a lot of things are done through online, and so I've taken it upon myself to actually use a blueprint that my mother has taught me, and which is to go to school through online. My mom has gotten her master's degree through online and many more other degrees through online. But while you're in online school, you know that when you get financial aid, your financial aid can be stipend out to you in increments, or your financial aid can be stipend out to you in one lump sum. And so you can choose some type of education or some type of endeavor that you want to pursue in education to generate income that can be helpful to your family. For example, I chose early childhood education because we're going to be homeschooling Amina, and so why not learn how to teach my daughter while we travel abroad? Something that she's also incorporated into our 3 online incomes with DaDa ABC. It's something that's going to help teach Amina. It's something that helps generate income. So she teaches and I go to school. And so the online school, you know, every semester when you get your financial aid, you're going to get a check. When you get that check, it's up to you what you do with the remainder of your check. And so I chose an online school called Liberty University. And Liberty University, it's a Christian school, but you don't have to be Christian in order to go to this school online. They were very, very strategic in getting me signed up and getting the ball rolling in my court. So that's why I say it's more tedious and more difficult to generate online income through this way, and that's why I made it the 3rd one to explain to you guys. You know, sometimes people have a lot of loans that they need to get out of default, and they may not, this 3rd option may not be an option for them. That's why we gave you guys the first 2 options to choose from, which is the Textbroker.com and DaDa, which are much easier to get into. So if you're looking to generate online income while you travel abroad, you want to look into online school. If you don't have any loans in default, then it's probably going to work best for you. If you do have loans in default, there's programs out there that you can sign up for where you pay $5 a month to get your title for financial aid back. A lot of people don't know that they lose their title for financial aid, which is pretty much a statement that claims that you can get financial aid. And so there's a lot of rehabilitation programs out there that help you get your title for financial aid back by paying just a measly $5 a month. And it may take 5 to 6 months for you to get your title back, but when you get your title back, that's another source of income for you. So while you're waiting to get your title back, you can do the first two. And so we just wanted to share with you guys some ways that we make online income and generate USD while we travel abroad to help fuel and encourage and push the black families that are waiting or scared to make the move when they want to travel with their family. We thank you guys for tuning in to Rashan&Toya Travel. We're going to have some more videos where we give a lot of insight on how-tos and cool, inexpensive ways to travel with your family while you travel abroad. So stay tuned.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, RT Travelers.
That's right.
And don't forget, make sure you sign up with Patreon or donate to our Cash App or PayPal. Thank you.
Peace.